What we got here today is a 52-inch antique brass Panasonic Lancelot ceiling fan. This is a 3-speed electrically reversible fan, dating sometime back around, I would say 1984, maybe 1985. The Lancelot was probably the most commonly found of the Panasonic fans. Panasonic had about 5 different models that they offered back in the early to mid 80s. I think they lasted all the way until around 1988, I believe, is when they finally phased out sometime. Yeah, pretty cool fans. They use a skeletal spinner style motor in them. I mean, they're all Panasonic's Japan-based company. So, not really much else to say about it. The blades are like a dark walnut finish. They're a little bit scuffed and scratched from abuse, unfortunately. They need to be touched up. Otherwise, the fan is pretty nice. Here's the light. The light kit is an SMC light. I figured I'd throw it on there since it's missing the original switch cap. And we'll start up on low. Pretty decent low speed here on this fan. Here's medium. Fan runs pretty quiet, no bearing noise. It's got a bit of a motor home to it, but nothing too overbearing at all. And here's high. Pretty decent performer. The fan has around I'd say 12-degree blade pitch. 11 or 12. We're probably doing around 190 RPM. So it's a good air mover. Gonna watch it coast. Yeah, later versions of these offered or had a different design switch housing. The switch housing was more, let's see, what do I want to put it? It's a lot more wider, a lot more chunkier than what you see here. I think Panasonic got the design off the Hunter original for this fan. And but in the later 80s, they had a wider switch housing for whatever reason. The older ones like this had a more of a narrow switch housing, as you can see. But that's about it for this fan, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch antique brass Panasonic Lancelot ceiling fan from the around 1984, 1985. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll be seeing you next time.